Hi! Thank you for checking out my listing. Please feel free to reach out to me at 317-445-5796 if you have any further questions or would like to schedule a showing. I look forward to hearing from you. Freestanding full brick condo with 2 master suites. Come enjoy this ranch-style home on a beautiful corner lot without the maintenance. Easy access to restaurants, shopping, Eagle Creek Park and I-465. Large windows offer tons of natural light, making this open floor plan feel even more spacious and inviting. All appliances remain, including the washer and dryer. New water softener was installed in 2018. HVAC installed in 2015. 2-car attached garage. Immediate possession.